Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Thriving in Ambiguity, the show where we take on the complexities of technology and innovation, embracing the unknown and turning it into a catalyst for growth. I'm your host, Steve Mancini, and I couldn't be more excited that you're joining me today. Today, I'm kicking off a mini series on the Alletra MP Storage platform by Hewlett Packard Enterprise. A cutting-edge solution that combines the best of HPE's storage heritage with a modern software-defined disaggregated architecture. With so much ground to cover, I'll break it into a few digestible episodes, starting today with the common foundational elements that make this platform unique. Now, I'm truly excited about the Alletra MP platform because HPE has simplified its portfolio while preserving the decades of innovation that made its storage solutions exceptional. Alletra MP blends the best of 3PAR, Primera, and Nimble into a single multi-protocol platform for block, file, and object workloads. It's powered by the industry's most advanced AI, which automates workload placement, optimizing performance, and streamlining day-to-day storage management. So what makes Alletra MP stand out? Well, let's start with some of its key benefits. First, it's always on, delivering zero downtime and backed by a 100% data availability guarantee. It's purpose-built for mission-critical and mixed workloads, ensuring reliable, consistent access to your data. It also offers advanced disaster recovery and high availability, with features like active stretch clustering and peer persistence, which lets you mirror data across two locations while staying continuously operational. Even in the event of a multiple node failure, Alletra MP's all-active multi-node design ensures your applications keep running. And it's fast. The all-flash system uses massive parallelization to deliver ultra-low latency and high performance at scale. Every controller, port, and drive is active, ensuring that there are no bottlenecks while giving you density needed to handle modern applications. It's also designed with a disaggregated scale-out architecture, which means you can scale compute and capacity independently. If you need more performance, but not more storage, or vice versa, you can scale just the parts you need. This approach keeps costs down and ensures that you can right-size your environment without worrying about over-provisioning. Management is handled through HPE's intuitive GreenLake Cloud Console, which unifies all HPE products under a single platform. From one-click updates of software and firmware to resource provisioning, everything is managed in one place. And because Alletra MP is software-defined, it extends beyond your private cloud into AWS and Azure marketplaces. This lets you spin up software in the public cloud and leverage native peer persistence for disaster recovery and high availability in a fully hybrid environment. Whether you're running traditional apps like databases, ERPs, or modern container-based workloads, Alletra MP's multi-protocol support and AI-driven performance management keeps them running smoothly. This consolidation reduces data silos and improves cost efficiency. So that's a high-level look at some of the features that excited me about the platform. Now let's take a deeper look into what it means to be disaggregated and the real power behind its true active-active controllers. Disaggregation redefines scalability. In older architectures, compute, capacity, and networking were bundled together. If you ran out of performance, but you still had capacity, you'd have to buy an entirely new system, wasting resources and driving up cost. Many businesses would actually overbuy to future-proof their environments, but over-provisioned capacity often went unused. Alletra MP flips the script by separating compute and capacity and networking into independent building blocks. If you need more performance, you have a choice. You can add another compute node or upgrade your existing controller. If you need more storage, you can add additional drives in 2-disk increments or add an additional shelf. With this modular architecture, you can scale exactly what you need when you need it, without forklift upgrades or wasted resources. This pay-as-you-grow model aligns perfectly with modern cloud philosophies, ensuring you can quickly respond to business demands while maximizing ROI. Now let's talk about that all-active design. Traditional solutions, whether single controller or high availability pairs, typically rely on one or two controllers doing all the heavy lifting. If one fails, the other takes over. But if both fail, you're out of luck. Performance is often half during a failure, and scaling requires adding more pairs, which introduces inefficiencies. Alletra MP takes a different approach. Every controller, port, and drive is active at all times, ensuring that there's no idle or standby hardware. This means you're getting the full horsepower of the system 24/7. If one node fails, the system dynamically balances resources across the remaining nodes to maintain performance and uptime. It also uses end-to-end NVMe and software-defined erasure coding to distribute data across NVMe drives for higher resiliency and minimal overhead. Writes go directly to persistent media, eliminating the need for battery-backed DRAM caches while maintaining ultra-low latency. This architecture delivers faster performance, greater simplicity, and more reliability for demanding workloads. Now, compared to traditional designs, the difference is clear. If a single controller fails, conventional systems face bottlenecks or downtime. Even active-active pairs can struggle during multiple failures or scaling events. Alletra MP eliminates these challenges with its multi-node all-active design, ensuring uninterrupted performance and reliability. Now, a lot of folks asked how this compares to big names like Dell, Pure, or NetApp. While those systems rely on dual controller or active-active pairs, they can't handle multiple failures gracefully. NetApp's aggregate mirroring improves resiliency, but uses extra capacity and doesn't address all points of failure. Alletra MP, on the other hand, scales disaggregated hardware with ease. Need more storage? Add a capacity shelf. Need more compute? Add a node. Or upgrade to a more powerful controller without replacing the entire system. Even during failures, the system reroutes I/O dynamically, maintaining uptime and consistent performance. In real-world scenarios, this makes a huge difference. Imagine running a financial application processing millions of transactions per second. If a node fails in a traditional system, you'd face bottlenecks or downtime. With Alletra MP, resources are reallocated dynamically, ensuring uninterrupted operations. And that isn't limited to financial services. It's equally valuable in healthcare, e-commerce, media streaming, or any environment requiring consistent performance and uptime. To summarize, disaggregation lets you buy what you need when you need it, without ripping and replacing infrastructure. The all-active architecture ensures top performance and resiliency even during failures. Together, these innovations create a platform that's always on, always fast, and infinitely adaptable. Managed through the GreenLake Cloud Console, Alletra MP is designed to meet the demands of today, tomorrow, backed by that 100% data availability guarantee. So, that's the high-level overview of why Alletra MP stands out, but honestly, we're just getting started. In future episodes, we'll explore how Alletra MP leverages AI, its deduplication and compression, and the modern functionality of the GreenLake Cloud Console. I'll also invite Dan Hercules, a solution architect with HPE, to demo the product and show you exactly what it's like to work with. Thanks again for tuning into the first episode of Thriving in Ambiguity. Until next time, remember, embracing the unknown isn't something to fear. It's an opportunity to innovate. I'm Steve Mancini, and I'll see you on the next episode.